Hello friend, welcome to Rishabh Dubey. And myself, I have come with an other tutorial, and I am going to talk about today the current facts which is going on between the India, China and USA. Means today I came to the news when I wake up early in the morning. Then I came to know that real Donald Trump he told to the media that he has a talk with Narendra Modi, and after that he told that Narendra Modi is not in good mood. So he told that India is not happy with what's going on with the China, and even China is not going to China is also not happy. So Donald Trump is want to do the mediator between the China and the India, and already there is a cold war is going on between the China and USA already, and for the purpose of the Hong Kong and Taiwan, and the USA is in favor of the India, and Donald Trump he has present to our Narendra Modi that he is a very good person, and he like him means Donald Trump like to our Narendra Modi, and obviously this is a totally lie, and he told to media means he don't care what he is saying, isn't it? Means India has declared that there is no talk between the US president and the Narendra Modi after the hydroxychloroquine. Means there is no talk, and even that Donald Trump has spoken that there was a talk between the Narendra Modi and the between the USA and him. And what is the mean now? Let's understand that Narendra Modi is not in good mood. What is happening between India and China? And as the fact is also there from the last 2-3 days, the condition is not worsen. There are standoff, there is face off between the Indian army and the China army at the border, but the situation is not worse. Means there is a talk. Delegation of India and China is having a talk every day, and already that Nepal, who has told that India that has given his own new map that some part of the area is occupied by the Indian. Now China has taken that map back to the and he has in the pressure of the India, I think, and he has understood the importance of the India, and that was this is the fact. Everyone know that it was came to the pressure of the China, and what is Nepal is doing nowadays, and even the China is diverting the situation, diverting the attention of the people from the coronavirus and from the Taiwan and Hong Kong. Means it's one divert the attention of the India as well. What's happening in the Taiwan, what's happening in the over there in Hong Kong, and that's what the China is doing. Everyone knows that there will be no war, and in between two armed countries, means with having the weapon as a nuclear bomb. Means all the people between China and having India have a total of 4 billion population, and it is not possible to have war. Means even if you have the leader of the India who have the very strong will, do anything possible for the people of the India to in interest of India, they will do. The Narendra Modi will do, and first he will not go back off just while he has done airstrike as well as the surgical strike in Pakistan. Means China shouldn't underestimate the India. Means what Narendra Modi is having nowadays, India has lots of support from the Japan, France, Israel, even America. Means China is alone now in the whole country, when Pakistan will not be able to help the China, and China should take care of this thing properly. And yesterday itself there was news that there was a bomb in one Centro car found in the Jammu and Kashmir, and that get blasted by Indian army. Indian army was able to stop to the terrorists who were planning to blast and flag operation. This was the known fact that some days before, the Imran Khan has tweeted that India is going to do some action in Pakistan and the name in India and Jammu Kashmir. But after that, he will blame that Pakistan has done those kinds of things. After that, I think India army was very concentrate on something is going to happen. First they found the lost vehicle, means they took the list of the vehicle which are lost. Then after that they found the number of the vehicle, number plate. After that they came to know, yeah, this is the Centro car which is have the very which is going to be blast in some area, and they have targeted about 400 army of India, and about that 400 people may died after that, and India's army salute to that. He was able to, they were able to save our great country, and it is a very proud moment for Indian that our intelligence have that kinds of resources. They were able to stop, they were able to find that Centro car. After that they were able to chase, and they chased that car. After that they did firing. Even after that, if the Centro car was not stopping, the driver was not stopping, then they did bullet fire in the tire. Then tire got punctured. After that, when the terrorists realized that he is not able to be succeed in their work, then he just escaped into the jungle. Means after that there was a dark, and that the government he just got into the jungle, and after that in morning with the help of the Scott Guard who do those things to develop to diffuse the bomb. And after that they did bomb blast over there. They evacuated almost 6 to 7 kilometer of area, and it was found that after bomb blast, you might have seen video on Twitter itself, that the part of the car after blast it has come to 60 meter up. You can understand the power of the bomb of that. Means it was about 450 kg, more than that in Pulwama attack which was happened last year, I think. And this is the thing you can say. And I have made one more video yesterday. You can go and watch their tips about the exercise, how to make the exercise, what are the tips about how to make bicep, chest and six pack as well, and the logic behind that. You can see those things in your video. Then that video link is, you can go in my channel, you can watch that video, and that is there. And bye for now, see you soon, and hope you enjoy my video. And if you have any query related to health, related to regime, or any kind of query, you can ask from me. Bye, see you soon tomorrow.